Imagine this, a Rolls-Royce worth $500,000, completely crushed by a falling boulder. And the internet can't look away. Now here's the shocking part. None of it is real. It's 100% generated using free AI tools. No camera, no crew, no budget. Just pixels, prompts, and millions of views. If that made you pause, good. Because this exact trick is blowing up on YouTube Shorts right now. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you step by step how to hijack this trend and turn AI car crash videos into your personal viral factory. For free. This isn't a one-time thing. You're not just going to make a viral video. I'll teach you how to create unlimited viral videos every single day, using tools anyone can access. No paid software, no experience needed. And the best part? People watch them over and over because they look disturbingly real. Let's get started. Head over to any of these AI car crash channels. Sort by most popular. You'll see the same formula again and again. Luxury cars, unthinkable destruction, cinematic visuals. One viral short showed a Lamborghini flattened by a steel beam. Another? A Bugatti Veyron swallowed by an exploding sinkhole. And each one? Millions of views. Pick one. Let's break it down and recreate it. Pause the viral video at the most dramatic moment, like when the boulder is mid-air, just about to strike. Now take a clean screenshot. Open ChatGPT and say, "Analyze this image." It's a screenshot from a viral AI-generated car crash video. A luxury car is about to be crushed by a giant rock. Based on this, create two things. A hyper-realistic image prompt to regenerate the scene, without any humans. A video animation prompt describing the rock falling and impacting the car with cinematic realism. ChatGPT will give you gold. Copy the image prompt first. We'll use it to regenerate the scene in 3D quality. Go to Leonardo AI. It's free and insanely powerful. Click Image. Choose the FluxDevs model for ultra realism. Set aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts. Paste the image prompt from ChatGPT. Boom. You'll get 4 jaw-dropping renders. Pick the most cinematic one, preferably with debris, dramatic lighting, and the car in clear focus. This is your viral video's foundation. Now, let's animate the destruction. Go to Hailuo AI, specifically Image to Video. Upload your chosen image. Now copy the prompt from ChatGPT, the animation one, and paste it in. Click Generate, and let the AI do its thing. After a while, you'll have a hyper-realistic car crash animation that looks like it was shot with a RED camera in a Hollywood backlot. No joke. The movement, the impact, the realism, it's insane. You can use any editor, but CapCut is the easiest. Open CapCut, create a new project. Upload your video clips. Align the impact moment. Next, go to Audio Search Sound Effects. Search Crash Sound. Then add sound of crane. Sound is what makes people flinch when watching your short. Adjust audio levels to make it punchy. Export in 1080p. You're ready. Now think about this. You didn't film anything. You didn't touch Blender, After Effects, or Premiere Pro. You used only AI and created a video that can pull in millions of views in a matter of hours. You now have the entire viral formula in your hands. Free, repeatable, and deadly effective. So don't just watch this content. Create it. Like this video if you found it useful. Subscribe for more AI-based viral tricks and comment what luxury car you're crashing next.